Hello everybody, I'm Ricky from Global Surf. Today we will speak about how to paddle. So after we lay down on the board in a proper position, we need to have our chest straight up so we don't make too much pressure down, otherwise we might nosedive because we have too much pressure on the nose of the board. So chest up, and paddling, it's about extension of your arm with your hands closed like a spoon, catching the water as deep as you can and let it drag until the end of the board. And then we do it again with the other arm. So extension of the arm as long as you can with your hand like a spoon, catching all the water as deeper as you can until the end, and your board will start to glide. In this video we can see the surfer applying strong paddles and easily he gets into the wave. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please follow us for some more videos.